Teacher, good morning, Adrim. How are you today? Adrim, I'm fine, teacher, but I feel shy when I speak English. Teacher, why do you feel shy? Adrim, sometimes people laugh when I make mistakes. I feel scared. Teacher, oh, don't worry, everyone makes mistakes. I make mistakes too. You speak very well, Adrim. Let's practice together. Adrim, okay, teacher. Teacher, tell me about your day. What do you do in the morning? Adrim, I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to school. Teacher, yes, you speak clearly and confidently. Remember, confidence is more important than perfection. Adrim, thank you, teacher. I practice every day.